Print list without brackets in a single row. I have a list in Python, for example. I want to print the array in a single line without the normal. We'll give the output as. That is not the format I want. Instead, I want it to be like this. Note, it must be in a single row.
This, like it sounds, just takes all the elements of the list and joins them with comma dot.
Here is a simple one. The star unpacks the list and return every element in the list.
General solution works on arrays of non-strings.
If the input array is integer type, then you need to first convert array into string type array and then use join method for joining with, or space whatever you want. E.g. direct using of join, which will join the integer and string, will throw error as shown above.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.